In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Notion. Whether you are jotting down a quick to-do or building a trackable list inside a database, I'll walk you through the fastest, most reliable ways to add checkboxes so your notes and projects stay organized. Let's start with the quickest method. On a fresh line in your Notion page, simply type 2 square brackets with nothing in between them. The moment you enter those brackets at the very start of a new line, Notion instantly converts that line into a checkbox. You'll see the empty box appear, and you can immediately type your task or note next to it. This is perfect for rapid note-taking during meetings or when you are brain-dumping tasks. If it doesn't convert, double-check that your cursor is at the very beginning of a clean line, not inside an existing block of text or a database cell. Remember, this creates a standalone to-do block on a regular page, which is great for simple checklists. Next, if you prefer using commands you can see on screen, try the / command. On a new line, type a / followed by the word todo. Then press enter. Notion will insert a to-do block with a checkbox instantly. This method is handy if you like searching for blocks as you work, or if you find it easier to remember words than symbols. Just like before, type your item right after the checkbox, and click the box to mark it complete when you are done. Finally, let's talk about databases because checkboxes there work a little differently and give you powerful tracking. Open your database. This could be a table, board, list, or calendar, and add a new property by clicking the plus button in the property bar. From the menu that appears, choose Checkbox, then give the property a clear name, like Done or Completed. Now every row or card in your database gets its own checkbox in that column. Click it to mark an item complete. And enjoy the benefits of structured data. You can sort or filter by that checkbox later. Build views that show only completed or incomplete items, and keep your workflows tidy without mixing tasks into your free-form notes. To recap, type empty square brackets on a new line for the fastest to-do block. Use the / command /todo if you like searchable commands, and add a checkbox property in databases when you need scalable tracking across many items. Try each method and pick the one that fits your workflow best.